I'm getting ready to do some meal prep this week. The first thing I'm going to do is get some fruit cut up so it's convenient. So I have one fruit tray prepped. I'm going to get this in the refrigerator. It looks so colorful and inviting. I know this is going to help me stay on track this week. Next, I want to supreme some grapefruit and oranges that I have. Store the grapefruit sections in the juice. It seems to keep it fresher. I got the oranges supremed and I'm storing them with the juice. One of the things I did a few weeks back is I put some chicken cutlets into freezer bags with a variety of marinades, and my darling husband is going to grill me off some chicken. Here is the grilled chicken. The marinade was Thai coconut, and I'll put that recipe in the description box. It's really good. I'm going to get this chicken into a ziplock baggie, and that way during the week we'll have chicken for sandwiches or salads or omelets, whatever we might need it for. It's all ready to go. Chicken done, and there's even a little piece for the cook. A little snack. Next on the hit list is Pico de Gallo. I have 8 kind of small Roma tomatoes, some white onion, some lime, garlic, jalapeno, and cilantro, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to get this all chopped up and prepped for this week. I love it on omelets in the morning, or putting it on the turkey Weight Watcher chili. That's excellent too. So far we've gotten some Pico de Gallo prepped, oranges supreme, grapefruit supremed. We have a fruit tray, and we have some chicken that was marinated in the Thai coconut sauce, and Ken grilled it, so we got that prepped. I got these spicy jalapeno chicken sausages from Trader Joe's. They're 3 Smart Points a piece. I'm going to have Ken grill these, and then I want to slice some onions and some peppers and saute them in a nonstick pan that's been sprayed with a little bit of olive oil spray, and add a little garlic to it. And I want to portion it out just to have like a snack. And I think I'll probably include 1/4 cup of the Trader Joe's light Mexican blend. And yeah, I think that'll be good, because that'll be a 5-point lunch or something, you know. I have my pan heating up. I'm going to spray in some olive oil spray. Get the onion in there. Season it with just a little salt. The onions have cooked for a while. I'm going to add some garlic and the peppers. As soon as the garlic hits the pan, it always smells so fragrant. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm just going to let these cool down so I can get them packaged up. Ken went ahead and grilled the chicken sausage, and I put some of the onion, bell pepper, garlic mixture in a bag. And then in a separate little tiny bag, I put 1/4 cup of the Trader Joe's light cheese. And this will be a 5-point lunch or breakfast, whatever. So yeah, just heat it up in the microwave, top it with the cheese. Delicious. My last bit of meal prep is for Monday night's dinner. We're going to be having shish kebabs. I went ahead and I cut up a pineapple, 2 zucchinis, half of a white onion, and I had about 2½ bell peppers in the fridge, so I cut those up, and I have about 1 pound of mushrooms. Ken's breaking down a tenderloin, and we're going to get it cut into some chunks and put into a peppercorn whiskey marinade. I've shared that on my channel before, but I'll put the recipe for that in the description box. And I'll also put a link to how to break down a beef tenderloin. I did a video on that a long time ago. The last thing I want to prep is just get some lemon sliced. I've really been enjoying a slice of lemon in my water. I'm not a water girl, but this has been helping. So I'm gonna get a couple lemons sliced up, ready to go. It's funny how just a little bit of prep time on Sunday afternoon can just make your week go by a little bit easier. We'll get these into a little baggie and into the fridge. So that's the meal prep for the day. I'm kind of tired. Gonna go take it easy, put my feet up. Now that's a bag of encouragement to drink water. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed me sharing some of my meal prep with you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great week.